Hi everyone, I am Harsha here. So I am going to review about ViStudio FX video creation software that is exclusive software for YouTubers. So it is created by Mr. Assam and it is launched on 14th July Easter Sunday time and going to be end on 19th July Easter Sunday time. So uh, normally YouTube channel gets around 1 billion visitors in a 1 month, and with that you can imagine that the how powerfulness of these videos are. So normally you can make any kind of a viral video, and you can make any kind of animated videos. So or the your as per the your choice, you can make anything and you can upload to the YouTube and you can get traffic. So normally 90% of these the people in the world are searching in the YouTube to get their product. So normally you can use this Y Studio FX software for your promoting on businesses you're making on video blogs or the podcast. So whatever the things you can use to create from this Y Studio FX. So uh, apart from that, you may think that how without become unprofessional on this technical aspect, how can I create videos from this Y Studio FX? So that is the main reason behind of this Y Studio FX software. That is basically made for the uh, easy easy steps procedures. So uh, you may have this all the kind of templates to utilize or the modules. So with that all things you can make your own videos very easily. So everything is pre-built in this software. So only thing is you can only thing you can have to do is just get one module or the one template and you can utilize your own way. So if this is the kind of a software that you are searching, so be with me. I will just give you the glimpse of this software, and I have also the kind of a big bonus package with this Y Studio FX software. So with this, let's move to the bonus that before going to the Y Studio FX software. So actually, these bonus are made for the fulfillment of this uh, Y Studio FX inbuilt template. So you will get around 13 bonuses with this my bonus package. So how you will wonder how that I created this 13 bonuses for you. So that is immaterial. So I will give you that 13 bonuses with this Y Studio FX software. So let's move to the bonus quickly one by one. So bonus number one is 10 explainer video templates with developer license. So all the bonuses are with developer license. You can use any kind of a bonus package with this ViStudio FX software. So bonus number one is the 10 explainer video templates, and this bonus number two is 25 outdoor templates. So you can utilize all the things. And the bonus number three is 20 modern presentations, and bonus number four is 21 graphic sets. So with that 21 graphics sets, you will have around 22 modules inside the bonus number four. So you can imagine how powerful of these bonuses are. So these are the modules that you will get inside the bonus number four. There are 22 modules. So bonus number five is the big box graphics. So this big box graphics, you will get all the anime, these kind of graphics that you have to get utilize in this Y Studio FX software. So bonus number 6 is the 20 animated characters that is with coming with under the file mode of PNG, PSD, AI, GAPG, or any kind of a file type. So bonus number 7 is vector blowout. So that is the kind of the vector blowout that you can utilize this vector blowout software to generate your own vector graphics. There are around 1400 vector graphics, so you can easily utilize this bonus. Bonus number 8 is super graphics pack. So that is the another bonus that I am giving you with this software. So bonus number 9 is infographics design. So you can utilize this too. So bonus number 10 is the flyer designs. So these are the designs that inside you will get from this bonus. So bonus number 11 is the stock video footages. So that is another bonus. So bonus number 12 is website graphic. So you can utilize for your own website. So bonus number 13 is the instant graphic collections. So that are the bonuses that I am giving to you with this ViStudio FX software. So so actually this is the link of this bonus page is the just down of the this video, and you can go with your own time to just again to the use or the to just see the how powerfulness of these videos are. So once you get this software, you will automatically get this bonus with your JV Su account itself. So in the portal, you can access for this these bonuses. So let's move on to this the sales page of this ViStudio FX. So it's look like this, and it says that create professional videos in second with zero stress or technical skills. In further, there's no learning curve, no stress. That is made for you all. So you can just click on the link below of this video, and you can just access of this software by using just $17. So with that, I will just move to this software in detail. So there is it is around 12 modules. So other than these 13 bonuses, you will get 12 modules inside this members area. So unfortunately, I couldn't able to get the software access from the vendor. So without this software, I am using this template library, premium template library to you the review this software. So module number 1 is 6 stunning video templates. You will get this 6 stunning video templates. So inside your members area. So module 2 is 16 opener video templates. So module number 3 is 16 YouTube opener videos. So you will access all those things. So module number 4 is 16 outro video templates. So module 5 is consists with 30 YouTube cover templates. These are the cover templates that you will instantly access once you in the members area. So module number 6 is 50 YouTube thumbnails templates. So you can use all the kind of any kind of a design for your YouTube creation. So bonus number 7 is 25 low third templates, and the module number 8 is 16 information bar templates, and the module number 9 is 14 subscriber templates like this, and module number 10 is 13 social media templates. So module number 11 consists with 25 modern title templates, and 12 consists with 6 next video templates. So you can utilize all those the templates in a one module, in a one package from this ViStudio FX. So these are the kind of the briefing of this ViStudio FX software. So again, I will just show you the my bonuses with you getting this from getting this with this software. So so there are around 13 bonuses that you will get with this software by just clicking the link down below of this video. So the bonus number 1 is explain a video template. So 2 is outro templates, 25 outro templates. So 3 is 20 modern presentations, and bonus number 4 is consists with 21 graphic sets, and with 22 modules. And bonus number 5 with big box graphics, and 6 bonus number 6 is the 200 animated characters, and the bonus number 7 is the vector blowout, that is another software. So bonus number 8 is super graphics pack, and the bonus number 10 is flyer design, and bonus number 11 is stock video footages, bonus number 12 website graphics, and bonus number 13 is instant graphics. So with that we will move on to this the prices of this ViStudio FX software. So the front end just cost around $17. That is the front end price. So the upsell number 1 is cost around $37, and it is named as video ViStudio FX Pro. That is cost around $37. So upsell number 2 is named as Anima Slides, and it's cost around $57. And upsell number 3 is Video Agency Kit, that is cost around $67. So that is the how this the funnel is made. So you can utilize this software to your making of this your awesome graphics for this your YouTube channel. So with that I'm just give you the glimpse of this the ViStudio FX software. So again I'm telling you that just click the link below of this video, and you can access this software plus my 13 bonuses with your software with this your JVSU account portal. So that's it, guys. So if you just like, just hit the like button and just subscribe my video for further updates. Thank you very much.